Welcome to Mentordy, the channel dedicated to learning and innovation. I'm Vinay, your host and mentor, and today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic: creating an AI chatbot using ChatGPT. Understanding ChatGPT. Before we dive into the technical details, let's first understand what ChatGPT is and why it's such a game changer in the world of AI. ChatGPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It's designed to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. In essence, it can have natural-sounding conversations, making it perfect for building chatbots that engage users in meaningful interactions. Planning your chatbot. Planning is crucial when creating any AI chatbot. In this phase, you define the purpose of your chatbot and its target audience. First step in planning your chatbot is to define the purpose of your chatbot. Why you need to build a chatbot. Is it for customer engagement, customer service, or to provide information about your products or services? The next step is to identify your target audience. Define the demographics of your target audience, like their age, gender, location, and family income status. Think about the problem your chatbot will solve, or the service it will provide. Consider user needs and preferences. Also choose the platform on which you want to build your chatbot. OpenAI provides a ChatGPT API on some fees, which can be deployed on any Python-based program or application. This is the best way to build your own chatbot. Collecting relevant data for your chatbot. Once you've planned your chatbot, it's time to gather the data it will use to learn and respond to users. Your data should be relevant to the topics and questions your chatbot will handle. You'll also need conversational data for training ChatGPT. Clearly define what type of data you need to train and improve your chatbot.
This includes user queries, chatbot responses, and any metadata you want to collect, e.g., timestamps, user identifiers.
Identify potential sources of data. These can include real user interactions, historical chat logs, customer support emails, or other relevant sources. For instance, suppose that you are building a chatbot for a large hospital, where hundreds of patients visit daily. In this case, you can carry out a detailed survey and interview, both with the patients and doctors. This data could be helpful for you understand the different aspects of the chatbot. Giving training to your chatbot model. Training your chatbot involves fine-tuning ChatGPT on your specific dataset. This step is essential to make sure your chatbot understands and generates appropriate responses. It's where the AI learns to be conversational. Divide your dataset into 3 parts: training, validation, and testing sets. A common split might be 70% for training, 15% for validation, and 15% for testing. This allows you to train, tune, and evaluate your model's performance.
Tokenize your text data into smaller units, e.g., words, subwords, or tokens, so that it can be processed by the model.
Make sure to use the same tokenization method during training and inference. Decide which variant of ChatGPT you want to use. You can choose from different model sizes and configurations, depending on your project's requirements and available resources. Integrating your chatbot with ChatGPT API. Now comes the exciting part: integrating your chatbot into the platform where it will interact with users. This can involve coding and APIs to connect your chatbot to websites, apps, or messaging platforms. Set up your OpenAI account. The very first step in integrating a chatbot with ChatGPT is to open an account with OpenAI. If you haven't already, sign up for an OpenAI account and access the ChatGPT API. Follow OpenAI's documentation to obtain the API key. Understand the API basics. Familiarize yourself with the API's basic concepts, including how to send requests, the structure of requests and responses, and rate limits. You can find this information in OpenAI's API documentation. Set up your chatbot environment.
Set up your development environment, which typically involves installing the necessary libraries and dependencies, e.g., Python, requests library, to make API calls. Generate an API key. Generate an API key from your OpenAI account dashboard. Keep your API key secure and don't share it publicly. Construct API requests.
Compose API requests to interact with ChatGPT. Requests consist of input text, which represents the user's message or query, and other parameters that control the behavior of the chatbot, such as temperature, max tokens, and chat history. Testing and refinement. Testing is critical to ensure your chatbot functions as expected. You'll want to identify and address any issues. Refinement is an ongoing process. Continuously gather user feedback and improve your chatbot's responses. Launch and monitoring. Once your chatbot is ready, it's time to launch it for users to interact with. But the journey doesn't end there. You'll need to monitor its performance, address user concerns, and make updates as needed. Scaling and promotion. If your chatbot proves successful, you may want to scale its capabilities or expand its reach. Promotion is crucial to attracting users. Consider marketing strategies to increase your chatbot's visibility. This was just a glimpse of building a chatbot using ChatGPT. This topic is complex and involves a lot of discussion, including coding. It cannot be described in a short tutorial video, like what our channel Mentority makes. If you're interested in diving even deeper into this topic, I've written a book called Beginner's Guide to Earn Money from ChatGPT, where you can find additional insights and resources. I've described in this book how you can build your own chatbot from scratch using ChatGPT, including some Python scripts. So, it is a must if you are really serious about building your own chatbot. You can check the book link in the description. Creating an AI chatbot using ChatGPT is a journey that requires planning, data, training, and ongoing refinement. I hope this video has given you a solid foundation to get started. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to Mentority, and hit the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest content.